She is an advocate of growth and innovation in the management of educational organizations with a professional experience of 20 years and 5 years as principal. The Great Mentors warmly invites Ms. Shanoli Ray for talk show session. Being designated as principal, she has worked on cultivating a healthy relationship among all the stakeholders involved, which helped in overall growth and development of the organization as well as increase in the student strength. She believes in creating a school environment that embraces a clear and shared focus, high levels of communication, collaboration and respect for diversity. While framing the curriculum, she tries to apply various linguistic, auditory, visual and kinesthetic methods to make learning fun and effective. She tries to instill the passion for learning, inquisitiveness and expansion of mind among her students and instigate monitored freedom of thought and expression among students to bring out the best in them. Her present school, located in rural Bengal, is being awarded as Most Creative School, 2021. Being the founding principal, she emphasized on designing, developing and implementing a curriculum that's appropriate for the overall holistic development of the rural children. Ms. Shanoli possesses many valuable skills: blended pedagogy, academic strategy planning, admission counseling, administrative management, budgeting and finance and many other skills. Books published by her: Body Confidence in Sports, published on PRITTLE News, My K-12 Journey, Biography on K-12 News, an educational journal, Parenting with Emotional Intelligence, published on Wednesday Times and unaccountable others.